Good evening to all of you. It's my pleasure to be on this platform this day. I was, in fact, never had imagined that this day would ever come. Let me first take an opportunity to thank my angels which brought me till here. And those are Nafis and Ashwini ma'am. It was a great interaction with them. And this divine device had changed my life. Like it has changed my life to 180-degree shift in just 15 days. Healy came to my house, to my residence on 12th of June, and I started using this divine device from 13th of June morning. And today is 28th. It's just been 15 days, and you could see me how I am speaking. I was never been like nice on cameras or like good at words or speaking. But today, I don't know from where I have got this energy to speak on the platform of more than 200 people. This is something which is very magical and miracle which has happened to me. Yeah, let me share my story. The On the fourth day of my taking the energies and all, I had some headache. I rang to my upline. I rang to Nafis, and she said, "It's very common, Seema. Just go for it. Don't be afraid." And then she just advised me, go for bachelor's. I had, and uske baad, like it was like I'm feeling so light, so energetic, and the exercises which were I was not able to do 2 days before, just like since long, and even before the 2 days also of my fourth day, I was not able to do certain exercises. On the fifth day, I was able to do with that ease. And if I was certain exercises which I were able to do only 5 times, I did for 18 and 20 times that stretch. That was like, kya ho raha hai? How could that happen? Yes, and my mind shift has completely been changed. I've become very positive, very focused. I've just stopped thinking about the scrappy materials, scrappy stuff. Those don't define me anymore. And the second shift which I got is on my daughter. She has a dramatic shift. She was like very irritable, always ready to argue with me, but no. Just after 5 or 6 days, I could see the changes. She has become very focused on her studies, not using the mobiles. And the most dramatic shift, the most magical, and the things which every mom dreams, for every child. She has started arranging her desk, arranging her study corners, arranging her room. And you know what she did today? She cleaned her washroom, which was like a surprise to me. Ki ye kya ho gaya? So these are the little shifts which I got in myself and my daughter. And yeah, and then there are many, many, many more things to come on my way. It's just 15 days, ladies and gentlemen out here. And I'm a doctor. I'm an allopathic doctor practicing in Government Medical College in Rourkela from Odisha. I'm also a healer and a health coach. As a healer, I knew emotions and diseases are linked. But with this device, I said to myself, I cannot take care of my 60 trillion cells in my body. I cannot take care. But this device can. This device can. And thank you, universe, for blessing me with this divine device and my angels. And yeah, this is all from today from my side. Thank you so much. Good evening.